Hello, I'm Eli Castranova, a personal injury attorney in Los Angeles, California. When people are injured in a car accident, it's very uncertain and oftentimes scary. They don't know who to turn to. They don't know where to go for treatment. Even if they have health insurance, often their plans limit the kind of treatment they can get. When people come to me, I meet with all of my clients either in my office or at their own home if necessary. I do not have a cookie-cutter approach. I make sure that we tailor all of the treatment that the client needs to their particular injury and the kind of accident they're involved in. I have clients that come to me with minor back injuries, and I have clients that come to me that need surgeries on their back. Whether someone's involved in an accident with a third party or an uninsured motorist, or whether they're injured in a ride-sharing accident that involve Lyft or Uber. There is Airbnb where people rent out a particular room. We're there to represent them. When they come to me, we make sure that they are treated by doctors that are reputable and that are well qualified. Doesn't matter what kind of injury they have or what part of town they're located in, we can get them the treatment they need, and they do not have to pay a cent before their case is settled. We can get them specialists in orthopedics and neurosurgeons, and we can get them testing which will not be paid for until their case is settled. It's very important that you know that I will be dealing with you directly, that you will not be passed off to some assistant who is not familiar with your case. I make sure that my clients are all happy at the end of their case and that they've been treated like human beings. So if you're involved in an accident, just remember it doesn't matter what kind of accident you have or what kind of injury. You can go to my website and you can see the different types of accidents that people have been involved in, and the different types of injuries that they have suffered. And in any of those cases, you know that we're well experienced after 35 years of dealing with these kinds of accidents, these kinds of injuries. And I've been to court and to trial numerous times, and we've gained tens of millions of dollars in settlements and judgments for our clients against all of the big insurance companies, whether that's Mercury, State Farm, Farmers, Geico, or Allstate. We have dealt with them all, and we're on your side when it comes to a fight. So remember, although most cases are settled and they're settled for just compensation, often you need to go to court and you need to go with an attorney who has been there many times before. And I will be going to court for you, not some assistant. And I welcome your communication. Thank you.